But tonight we are staying on top of that breaking news here in our state. Department of Health officials confirming that the Omicron variant has now been discovered in Washington state so far in King, Pierce, and Thurston counties. 3 people have been identified with the latest variant, all of them under the age of 40. But we knew it was a matter of time. Now that time is here. Thank you for joining us. I'm Hannah Kim.
And I'm Matthew Smith. Tonight, the state says they're trying to get more information on these cases, including whether or not those people were vaccinated. But right now, the biggest question is, how easily could Omicron spread here?
I hope I'm wrong, but I expect we'll see many more cases in the coming weeks. Exactly how many and how severe they will be is less clear.
And that's the rub. Omicron is here, but it's too early to say how it'll affect Washington state. Vaccines, masks, less crowded contact. That's the current advice, but it could be weeks until we have solid data on how vaccines stand up against this variant and whether cases will end up being more or less severe.
We may be tired of this virus, but as Omicron and our current surge of Delta in our state show, this virus is certainly not tired of us.
So as holidays approach, Washington state is approaching a vaccine crunch.
We have seen, increased traffic on our vaccine locator website and also to our call center.
And that was before this weekend's news that Omicron is officially here. It was something that we expected. But tonight, Washington's top doc is making it clear. Identifying the variant so quickly was a win on the part of UW's virology lab, even if the news of yet another variant isn't a win. For now, despite the attention on Omicron, though, the state's Secretary of Health says Delta remains Washington's biggest threat in terms of COVID.
It remains to be seen if that will continue or change, or how so in the near future. The next few weeks will be critical in determining how this variant spreads compared to Delta.
One more thing worth noting tonight. I did ask that about the vaccine crunch and our recent run on boosters. The state has a new shipment of 70,000 Moderna shots that are expected to come in next week. But with it getting harder to get one of those doses, the state is begging folks, if you make multiple appointments to get a booster, cancel the ones you don't end up having to use.